Hey, I'm Sarah, and I just sent this pet food maker. Now this is gonna be great for my little dogs because I love to spoil them with homemade food. And it's really good if you have a pet that has a special diet because this thing will do everything for you. It's kind of like a slow cooker, but for pet food. It's got all of your touch controls at the top with a nice digital screen. When you press this button, it pops open and you have a removable, this is nice and metal. This is a little grinder in here that will actually move your food around and chop it up. And you put that back down. Off to this side over here is actually a carbon filter. Now they do send you with all the carbon, so you fill that up, sit it down in there, and that will help with the smell. And they give you a little bag so you can preserve the food as long as you need to have it. It does have a lot of different pre-settings that you can do on here. So I'm just going to add in a few ingredients and make this up. We've got some beef and some apples and blueberries and a little pumpkin. And then we will try this thing out. I'll show you how to get it started. So we're gonna close that up. On the back of it, it does have the little switch to turn it on. Then you just hold down on the power button and it comes on. Now you do have 3 different modes. It's 35, 95, and 150 minutes. So you can just press down on that. If you wanted to add minutes or just do it for a certain time, you can do it by 10 increments by hitting the timer. I am just going to do the 35 minutes and then hit go. And then we will watch this thing kind of move around and grind around and we'll check it out. But it does heat it up, moves it all around, makes great, great food. I'm really excited to try this thing out. So we've had this thing going and it is looking so good in there. You can actually see it boiling. It can go from 176 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now we're sitting right at about 174, 78. And it goes, it cooks there for a little bit and then it grinds it around. Now when you do open it, it does stop it, but then it will pick it right back up and move it around. So here in just a few minutes, I will have a nice tasty treat for my little puppies. All right, it just beeped, so we are finished. We're going to press the button and look at that beautiful dog food. This is going to be fantastic. You can just easily take this out at the top up here, and I'm gonna let it cool down. It looks really nice. We can clean this up and be able to use it for our dogs, put it in the bags and be ready to go. It's a nice little handle on top, pull everything out. Absolutely love how easy this is to be able to make up some dog food and then pack it up.